Hi everyone, good morning to you all. Today we'll be getting started our usual way, but just for the record, this video might be watched by other students as well. And the reason for letting you watch the video is to help you with your listening and your pronunciations. So in case there are words you don't know how they are being pronounced, or you just listen carefully so that you can be able to follow and understand how to pronounce those words. And if you can listen very well and understand what is being said, that's a good thing. So this is going to help with your listening and pronunciation, even though it might not be for your grade, but I think it's a good thing that you take your time out to listen carefully. Okay, without wasting any much of our time, let's quickly jump into our students book so we can look at the topic that we have to deal with today.
Track 25, Unit 6, Outdoors. Let's start. A. Let's talk.
How's the weather? It's sunny.
Number 1.
Sunny.
Number 2.
Rainy.
Number 3.
Windy.
Number 4.
Cloudy.
Number 5.
Snowy.
6.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
How is? How's? It is. It's.
How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's rainy. How's the weather? It's windy. How's the weather? It's cloudy. How's the weather? It's snowy.
7. B. Let's sing. How's the weather?
How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's sunny. It's sunny today.
How's the weather? It's sunny.
How's the weather? It's rainy. How's the weather? It's rainy. How's the weather? It's rainy. It's rainy today. How's the weather? It's windy. How's the weather? It's windy. How's the weather? It's windy. It's windy today. How's the weather? It's cloudy. How's the weather? It's cloudy. How's the weather? It's cloudy. It's cloudy today. How's the weather? It's snowy. How's the weather? It's snowy. How's the weather? It's snowy. It's snowy today.
Track C. Let's move. Number 1.
Throw a ball.
Number 2.
Catch a ball.
Number 3.
Hit a ball.
Number 4.
Kick a ball.
Train.
Can you throw a ball?
Yes, I can. No, I can't.
Cannot. Can't.
Can you throw a ball? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you catch a ball? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you hit a ball? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you kick a ball? Yes, I can. No, I can't.
So just as you can see, how's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's sunny. It's sunny today. We must learn how to sing songs. Okay, so here we're talking about sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, snowy. Okay, how is the weather? It's sunny. So these, we call these adjectives: sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, snowy. Adjectives are used to modify nouns. Okay, I'm going to get to that later to show you how. How is the weather? It's sunny. How's? It is. It is. Learn how to sing song. How is the weather song? Okay, so you can sing for teacher when you join me at the Zoom meeting. I've always told you before that anytime you see let's move, okay, you know it's about time to talk about what? About our verbs, because our verbs usually talk about the things that we do. You see, number one, throw a ball. To throw something means you're doing something. So that's what a noun. So here you have throw is throw is a verb because it's a doing thing. Catch is a verb because it's a doing thing. Hit is a verb because it's a doing thing. If you're hitting the ball, then you're doing something. To kick a ball. When you're kicking, you're playing, all those, we call them what? Verbs. Okay? So here, throw a ball. And we use a, which is normally we call article because it means one ball. Throw a ball, catch a ball, kick a ball, hit a ball. A ball shows you that what? It is one. Okay, this one, by next week, we're going to delve into this. So when you're done with that, then you go over to your workbook. What page is that? Page 46. Page 46, Unit 6. So here I have to trace and write. Trace and write. It's windy. Like I told you before, you see, all these are our pronouns. You always have to use them. Always. It, he, she, I, you, we, they, always. You see here, it is windy. We use is because it is what? It's a singular. So here we have to use the singular verb, which is. It is windy. It's. So is it here? Is it rainy or windy or snowy or cloudy? How is the weather? See, I'm making a snow, building snow, birds with snow, snowballs. We used to build houses and make things. Here, number 3 is what? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? This we call cloud. See the cloud here? These ones. This one, you see? This one is the sun. So it's sunny. So when you're done with that, then you come over to B section to match. I can throw a ball. I can catch a ball. I can hit a ball. I can kick a ball. So you have to trace, you see the way this one is already been taken. Trace it all the way to the one who is doing what? Throwing a ball. So look for the person who is kicking or hitting or catching the ball. So here read and write A or N. You see it again, A or N. A, we call this what? Article. What about you? Can you hit the ball? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Can you kick a ball? Can you catch a ball? Can you throw a ball? So you have to tell us by filling in all these blank spaces. The one you can do, then you do it and check. I think that's going to be all about it for today. You have to be doing this bit by bit. We don't need to rush. That's why I've been taking my time, take you through other things so that we can find time to digest what we are reading. We don't need to rush because the important thing is not to finish the book, but to understand what the book is teaching us. Okay? So these are the ones we've done previously when we talk about asking questions. What are these? We are using are because here we've got what? These, which means many things, but they are what? Near you. You say those, many things that are not near to you. They are far away from you. Okay, here we are. I just want to take you through this so that you can see how are these words usually used as nouns or adjectives. Use each word in a sentence. You have to use each word in a sentence. So here I've told you before that a noun is a name of a thing, a name of a person or animal or place. Okay? But it's different from what? Adjective. Adjective will tell us more about the noun, which is a place, or tell us more about the noun, which is somebody, or tell us more about the noun, which is the name of something or animal. So let's look at some examples. I am too busy to go to the zoo. I am too busy to go to the zoo. Which one? Busy is the adjective. You see? Here the busy is the I am too busy to go to the zoo. I want to go to the zoo. But here they are telling us busy, here is the adjective because it's telling us why he wouldn't be able to go to the zoo. So here we have computer are machines. Here computer is a name of something. So here it is a noun. Okay? So this one they talk about what? Tall. So what you are supposed to do here is they give us a word, then we make a sentence with the word and now say if and circle which one is a noun and which one is an adjective. Here already they've given us tall. Here remember my sister is tall. So here it's going to be an adjective because tall is telling us how my sister is, describing the noun which is my sister, name of somebody. Okay? Here is an apartment, the place you live. Our apartment is beautiful. Our apartment is beautiful. So here the apartment is what? A noun. Then beautiful is what? The adjective, telling us how our apartment looks. Okay? Tom is a name of somebody. So this Tom is what? Is a noun. I say Tom Tom likes to play football. Tom likes to play football. So here Tom is what? A noun because it's a name of somebody. Intelligent. When you're brilliant, that means you're intelligent. You can say my friends are intelligent. So intelligent is an adjective telling us about my friends. Okay? So here you have hand. Hand is the name of something, a name of the body part. So hand is what? A noun. Maybe you might not be able to make a sentence for me, but I want you to look at these words and just look at maybe hand and tell me if it is a noun or an adjective. So in this case, hand is what? A noun. So this one says he's a good boy. So good is telling us about the boy. The boy is a noun. So good is what? An adjective. Here you've got monkey, is the name of an animal. So it is what? It is a noun. Monkeys like to jump or climb trees. They say monkey is a noun. My sister is young. Okay, young is telling us how, if my sister is old or young. So young is what? An adjective. Music is the name of a thing. So music is what? A noun. Expensive. His coat is expensive. The car is expensive. Expensive is telling us about the car. If the car is cheap or expensive. If it costs a lot of money to get the car, or if it costs lesser money to get the car. So expensive is what? An adjective. Then grammar is the name of a thing. So grammar is a noun. Okay? Grammar is difficult. Difficult is an adjective. So just to give you a tidbit of what adjective is all about. Adjectives help us to modify or to change a little bit or tell us more about the noun in a sentence. For example, I am too busy to go to the zoo. So here busy is an adjective. Computers are machines. Here computer is a name of a thing. So that is why it's a noun. Here tall is telling us about how tall somebody is. So here tall is adjective. Apartment is a noun. Tom is a noun. Intelligent is an adjective. Hand is a noun. Good is an adjective. Monkey is a noun. Young is an adjective. Music is a noun. Expensive is an adjective. Grammar is a noun. Okay? So we're going to stop it here for today. I think that will be pretty much it for today, but not without taking you to the reading section where we have to practice our reading. So let's go take a look. So here we are reading and writing pets. We are goldfish. We like to swim. Our favorite foods are pellets and flakes. We can explore our environment. Environment means a habitat, the place where people or animals dwell, their neighborhood, where they fend for, where they live and be able to find their daily food and make babies and live comfortably among themselves. So we call it environment. We can explore. Explore means to dig in and find whatever that suits them to be able to help them make their life meaningful. Okay? So here, like I told you before, most of the words is going to be repetitive. Like here you've got favorite. Your favorite food means the thing that you like most. Say my favorite teacher, my favorite subject, my favorite actor, my favorite this means the one that you like best among others. Okay? So one more time I read, we are goldfish. We like to swim. Our favorite foods are pellets and flakes. We can explore our environment. Okay? So let's take a look at the questions. Answer the questions. What pet is this? Like I told you before, you say, because we are using is, you have to say it is. It is a fish, or it is a goldfish, if you like. But they say this, that means one thing. That's why we use our verb is what is, which is a singular verb. Then they said, what does it like to do? And I told you also that when you are asked a question, you have to use the auxiliary in the question to answer it. What does it like to do? Then you start by saying it likes. You must remember to put S to your like. It likes to. What does it like to do? To do what? To swim. That is the answer. The next one says, what is its favorite food? And when you want to answer, you say, its favorite foods are pellets and flakes. What can it do? Then you say, it can do what? It can explore its environment. You have to use its environment. You cannot say our, because it's not talking about ourselves. Say it can explore its. It can explore its environment. Environment means their habitat, the place where they inhabit, the place where they live is called environment. They say our environment is getting dirtier and dirtier or getting polluted. That means where we human beings live is getting polluted. Okay, I think that is going to be all about it for today. I think this video is already 20 minutes. So when you're done, you have to answer these questions. Remember how to answer your questions. And you see, this is what we call, question words. When you want to ask a question, we start with what is its favorite food. You say its favorite foods are pellets and flakes. What does it like to do? It likes, with S, to swim. What pet is this? It is a goldfish, or it is a fish. What can it do? It can explore its, use this, its environment. It can explore its environment. Environment, explore, environment, our, pallets, flakes, favorite, goldfish. We are goldfish. We like to swim. Our favorite foods are pellets and flakes. We can explore our environment. Okay? I think that's going to be all about it for today. So with that said, I think we've done good today, and today is Friday, as you can see. So I'll be sending forth exercises that you have to do, and also your homework after we're done with the lesson. But first of all, when you finish watching this and finish with your reading and doing the exercise that follows, then I'm going to send you a link to join me at the Zoom meeting so that we can review all over again together in class. Okay? So when we're done with that, you're going to get your homework as usual, and possibly maybe a film or something to watch at home, after which you have to answer the questions that will come with it. Okay? So that's going to be it for today. I'm always grateful to have you here at this corner where we look at studying English together. Okay? See you when you see me, and bye for now.